Hi there and welcome back to the channel. It's breakfast time today and we arrived yesterday to this beautiful spot. We have actually parked in a quarry, an old stone quarry. It's a really beautiful spot to wild camp at. And after the breakfast we will have a walk around on the western part of this island, Bohuslän. And for you, we have also got a lot of questions about curtains and how we hang them and so on. So I will show you that as well, and the ones that we have in the rear of the van. So stay tuned, you who are interested in curtains in a van. So let us have a sneak peek on the curtains. We take the front one first because I have a lot of questions about that as well on Facebook and Instagram and so on, and as well videos. You see, we have installed these crocodile clamps up there. Krokodilklämmor på svenska. We just took the ones we had at home actually in a corniche, and we cut them off to just fit into this curtain thingy, like traces up here. You have a double, so we could have like two curtains hanging like vertical and horizontal if we want to. We could easily swap between the Christmas or winter ones or spring, autumn colors and whatever we like to do. Right now we're into this color. I don't know what it is, turquoise. Okay, I think it's turquoise. Bibi just got up from bed here, so we are keeping her out of the camera, I think.
Yes, please.
Okay, so for the rear curtain we have the hanging device that is called Framfusig at IKEA, or IKEA. I had to Google it because I didn't remember what this was called. What's included is this kind of S type of hooks, and this curtain device could be adjusted between 100 centimeters and up to 180 centimeters, so it's perfect for a van or any other window for the matter to hang, and you can hang it like in the ceiling or on the wall with these attaching devices. What we added was like these type of crocodile clamps. I think they are called riktig, to hang them in. Of course you can hang the curtain directly onto this curtain hanger. I got that perfect tip from Eva on Facebook. Wonderful view, and it even gets better with these curtains. So this is how I have set up the curtain hanger. I have actually bolted them or screwed it in on the back side of these cupboards, and here you can also see these crocodile clamps that we have chosen to use. You can also put the curtain directly on this curtain hanger if you want to, but we have chosen the crocodile clamps because we like it that way. Very easy to swap curtains. Really nice. And the actual curtains here that you see, they are from JYSK, a typical Nordic home interior extension. They had a lot of really nice curtains, but we chose this one and we could easily swap. I have actually swapped this recently because we had a thicker winter curtain until now. That's really handy if you're winter camping. But in the summer we love the views, and this, as someone said on the Facebook, the romantic look of these ones, I actually agree. ni se den här hydrofoilen eller bärplanet. Norwegian, so fun to talk to. You saw that hydrofoil that he has underneath the board. So he reached impressive speeds with that kite surfing board. Really, really cool. That's the kite surfing Viking style. Unfortunately, I had a mishappening here. My trusty camera just fall off its camera stand and it's totally unusable. And the smaller lens that I also have, it's totally broken. Not so fun, so the rest of the video will be with my backup camera. But now we will have a typical Swedish West Coast lunch here with a smoked mackerel and some thin hard bread. So that will be really nice, but there's something missing here. Cheers, all out there. Not sure if Karina and Kenneth is watching this video, but this cider is from Skeppar, that winery where we actually met you this summer. Yeah. Really cool.
Really cool.
Right, so here we are at the police station and I have just picked up our electric bike that was stolen last year. For 1 year it has been gone and now it's back here again. The thief seems to have actually modified it with a new battery instead of the original one that was found there. Otherwise it's actually in good condition. Interesting. But we will leave it with that for now and see you on the next video.